So it's that time again. Here we are again in the bar, my friends, once more. And this afternoon, I've got something that's not a whiskey. It's not alcohol at all. But I've been to the British Watchmakers Day. I'll come back with something. Look, it's in there. Now you can see that. I'll do a better job of it this time. But look, it's Marloe, but not as you know it. The Haggis Works have taken over. There's a little tote bag, and I've been and picked up one of their new quirky little watches, and I wasn't intending to buy it, but I did because I took a look at it and I thought, I like that, it's funky. So look, there's a little Haggis Works QR code. I mean, I don't know if you can screenshot that and have a look, but give it a go. And look, there it is. Look, it's one of their boxes. It's one of these bookshelf boxes. I like that. It's called Pinky. It's a version of the Aerodyne. I've got the Aerodyne, and this is very different. It's funky little eyes. Funky, I said. And on that side, but you open it up. It says hello. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, hello on there. But you open it up. Look, and there you go. It's in a book format. And in here, I think you can get spare straps. I haven't got any. And there's the watch. Ah, you can't see it. There's the watch. Look at that. And in here, you get the strap that you'll get in with your watch. I've got a grey one. This comes with a blue one as well, which would be quite cool. But I thought it was a bit too much colour for me. So this one's been built and tested by Alison, which is great. In-house. They do it all there. And here's the watch. There. It comes in this nice little protective foam pouch. And look at that. Look at the rotor. It's a pink rotor. You've got the Haggis Works on the back. I love it. And there's the watch. Look, it's got the date wheel. So the dial's got a cutout. So it's got an exposed movement. You can see the dates coming around. That's quite cool. I like that. Anyway, look. It's got a couple of stickies on there, so we'll pull those off in a minute. But there's the strap. Look, it's a riveted strap, single rivet, and I shall put them on because they've all got quick. Well, I say quick release. It should be quick and easy to get them on. There's the thumb half, and there's the other half. And that's on as well. Look, there you go. There's it on the strap. I'm going to peel the stickers off. He says, look, there's the back one. Oh, I love that. Love peeling the sticker. And I think it's got one on the front as well. Yeah, it has. And it's got a Cyclops on this. Not everyone likes a Cyclops. Oh, it's beautiful. Not everyone likes a Cyclops. But there's the watch. Can you see it? It's a bit too reflective. And I like it. We'll give it some juice. It's not a screw down crown. I'm not sure what the water resistance is, but it's probably not going to be very much. I don't know. I might be doing it just a disservice. There we go. And I'll give it I'm not going to set it to the right time, but I'm going to set it to what all of the viewers do. 10 past 10. And let's pop it on. And I think I'm going to like this. Yeah, it's pretty cool. What do you think? Look, if you like it, there's a limited edition. I think they're selling some at the show today, so this morning and this afternoon. I got mine this morning, and then they're going to launch some a little bit later after the show finishes, where you can go and buy one. But it's a limited run. So look, if you like what these guys are doing, and I do, particularly the new funky stuff, go and have a look. I'll put a link down below. It's not an affiliate link, but go and get one. Why not? I think that's £449. So it's not too much. Anyway, catch you later.